Okay, relational databases and how they, at least how they work in this little program I've been developing. Um, there's obviously more videos on YouTube you can find. This example has to do with U-bolts and with stair treads. Okay, stair treads, we use McNichols, and 99.9% of the time we're using standard duty just treads. There's others available, but I will incorporate these at a later date, but right now I'm focusing on just a standard duty since 99% of the time this is what you're using. So inside of this standard tread, you're going to have different sizes, different depths. You can have different thicknesses. So it's a 3/4 inch, the depth, 1 inch for steel, inch and a quarter. Then you have inch and 2.5. Versus aluminum only has inch and 2.5 inch, the thickness. And then the widths that are available is also varies depending on the finish and the material used. So this is a smooth surface, serrated surface. So this is another option that's available. But as you can see, it's not available in every size. I'm not going to bore you with all the details. U-bolts, you have a, you have standard U-bolt. For this example, and what I've created is standard U-bolts, square bolts, and then the clamping bolts. These other ones are rarely used, at least in what we do, so I didn't even bother with them. But inside U-bolts, you have number one, you have finishes. Here's this regular carbon steel, black steel, black oxide steel. Then you have zinc plated. You have galvanized, aluminum, stainless steel. Then you're gonna have the inside diameter sizes. Then you got, but also for pipe size diameter. So depending on your application, you might say I need it for a 4 inch pipe. So this size, see, it's 4 and 5/8, or versus 4 and 1/8 is for a 3.5 inch pipe. But in a program where you're trying to quickly select the right size, you want to know what's the designation for the proper size. And over here you can see the part numbers. So how this works for U-bolts, all right? So like I just showed you, here's the different pipe sizes, and here's the inside diameter size. Then you have different finishes available, and whether it's a standard, a square, or a clamp. So let's say I choose a 6 inch diameter pipe, standard steel. There are no steel standard U-bolts available. Cannot buy them. Zinc probably can. Yeah, there's two different ones. And here's the part numbers. If it's galvanized, well, let's say we do square. There's no six. When you need a diameter size, let's do 4 inch. So there's 4 inch square galvanized. Again, based on these options. This is how relational databases can work in Excel, but this is more when you use a canned program. These things are not usually not available. Uh, see if I do zinc, is it available? Yep. So here's square ones are available in zinc, and here's the part number. So you're always selecting, you know, parts that are actually available. Same thing with the stair treads. We're gonna do here's the depth of the tread of all the options that are possible. Here's the width of the stair, the finish. So if I want to just regular carbon steel, 40 inches, but I only want basically 6 inch tread. So here's my options. So here's the 3/4 inch, 1 inch, inch and a quarter, inch and a half, two. And here's your see, it says this is the regular carbon steel, the typical, and then it says serrated. So this is the serrated type. Now this is so if I pitch galvanized, so I gotta see which ones are available in galvanizing, and then there's also aluminum. Is this size available in aluminum? Yes, it is, and they also has this serrated. So anyway, this is derived off of again off of the parts and components that are available. This is a fairly simple example of how a relational databases work and how they can work in multiple applications where you have to select various items that are similar but different based on the different variables. So thanks for watching.